right, my man?
Yeah, fuckers are tight.
Yeah, I believe it. So the love man left, y'all. The love man left. As y'all saw him drive away because he was not able to release the brake. He was not able to release the brake. This thing is getting costly and very expensive because number one, because when I got the new tires this morning, Michelin's now, because I drove 115 feet or whatever it was, not realizing that the brake wasn't released because we just got new tires. The trailer being loaded, the area that was on the ground on the brand new spanking new tires is damn near bald now. The wire is exposed on that little section. So that's going to lead to the company having to buy more tires. That just... X to the try is going to put me on the blacklist. That's all I'm saying, but it's not my fault. Your brake is messing up. I ain't paying for the truck tires. Hell nah. We definitely ain't paying no $5,000. So they called me back. They said, look, let Loves go. We got somebody else on the way. So I guess that's what we're doing. We're staying here. We're waiting. So that's where this vlog gonna end. We're gonna see. I may have to get 3 videos today, man. Sure, they just content after content. Not gonna believe this, but we at the same spot. Different mechanic. Yeah, that's right. This is the 3rd road call, my friends. 3rd road call. You all right, my man?
Yeah, fuckers are tight.
Yeah, I believe it. Actually look like you're actually making something happen.
Won't be fixed till tomorrow afternoon.
Right.
I can't. Man, I called everybody within a 2-hour fucking diameter of me, man, and ain't nobody got these motherfuckers.
Is there something we can do just to get me down to Loves or some shit like that? Like
that's what I talked to the guy, your dispatch.
Yeah.
The only thing I could do was take that brake caliper off, and that's a maybe. Or I'd have to take all this off and then just run this thing naked.
Right.
But he didn't want to do that, and I don't either. I don't like this dangerous.
Right.
I can get in deep shit for it.
I got you.
So we're gonna wait till tomorrow. And we're gonna get it fixed right.
All right. Will you be able to give me a ride to Loves?
What's that?
Will you be able to give me a ride to Loves? Do they have like a driver lounge? I ain't got no food in there, man.
You ain't got no food?
I ain't got no food in there. I've been here since 2 a.m. man.
Ah, shit.
Is there?
You can't just get disconnect and leave it here.
That's what I'm saying. I was gonna leave the truck and all that here. I mean, is your shop way too far from there?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm an hour away from my shop.
Okay. What I'm saying though, do you pass Love to your shop or before that?
I do, but the nearest Loves is in Fairfield.
Right.
About 40 minutes from here.
Like okay.
Yeah.
And you're not.
I wouldn't be able to get you back over here.
And you're not heading that way. Okay.
Yeah, nah.
Because I was thinking if you were heading that way, then you could just get me on the way back over here.
Yep. I ain't going back that way.
Okay.
Answer. Hey, Bob.
Man. Now I'm gonna have to figure something out about this food, you two.
I think so.
I'm gonna have to figure something out about this food. Yeah, I heard the man himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard the man himself, man.
Yeah.
Second mechanic, third mechanic, actually the same problem.
There's a con in that.
And yeah. I'm definitely gonna need to figure something out. I'm gonna need to figure something out, man. Because I gotta eat. I've got to eat. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, let me show y'all this tire that you know, this brand new tire that I bought over here. And because it was locked, so that's pretty much what happened. Brand new Michelin, less than a day old. Ground to the damn floor. So I noticed when I was looking yesterday, tried to see where the nail structure is. This place.
The 1006.
There's
You have more?
there's some kind of like truck stop cafe or some shit going on, like down the road.
Got 4 of them, go ahead and put them on for order.
So I'm gonna see maybe if I can talk to him, maybe just take me down there, grab food, and then come back. And I can just sit in the truck. And yeah, that'd be nice. But we definitely need to eat something, I know that. We definitely need to eat something, you too. Third mechanic, y'all.
That's all good.
This is crazy, and we'll be back with y'all. Right here, folks. This is a good example of how your money can be messed with in this game without it necessarily being the truck, or without it necessarily being your responsibility. It happens, man. You know, the extra came out, and oh man, we've been here since about 2 a.m. So the nice man said he might give me a ride. It's a cafe about 5 miles down the road, known as a Trucker Cafe. And I'm hoping there's some kind of hotel in the close by, cause then I'm going to get a hotel, man. I got a shower. I'm sweaty. I'll be out here. I'm hungry. You know, all that good stuff. So hopefully if there's a hotel, we're gonna get a hotel, leave the truck here when he come here. Hopefully if I can talk him into scooping me up on my way here, 5 miles down the road tomorrow, and we'll be here together, because if we're gonna be chilling, we got to shower. We got to shower. And I'm gonna let him know, or I'm gonna check in and see if that's okay. Because we're all on the load, guys. We're all on the load, so hopefully the load is rescheduled. But we're gonna call and ask the right people, and we're gonna see what's up. This is how your money can be helped with YouTube. There's more than too many ways to scan the cat. There's more than one way for this trucking to help you. The rates, the tractor, and the trailer. So, if you've seen previous videos, you know, y'all saw where I stand on that part. Because we ain't paying out of pocket for this one right here. No sir, no sir, no sir. No sir, we not. Right here, folks, got ass actually look like you know what he's doing, you know what I'm saying? Because Loves came by twice, no prevail. New Michelins are screwed up because after they put it in, the brakes were still locked. We drove about 150 feet, saw smoke, we pulled over and stopped. So now those brand new Michelins have a little bald spot on one small section. So, oh yeah, they're gonna put me on the blacklist. So now we're gonna have to replace that. Man, out here super Rambo that thing. That damn. Yeah, you know that's a, you know that's a bill that an owner operator cannot afford. Damn it, boy. We got a real life He-Man over here. Oh damn. Woo. Yeah. That right there alone look like bankrupt. Yeah. If I had to pay, yeah, no sir. No sir.
What I'm gonna have to do for that, I'm gonna have to pick all my shit up, back my truck up over something.
Yeah.
I have to get you to help me load that.
I was about to say, yeah, I got you, man. I mean, I'm just sitting here. I definitely got you. You want to try right now?
I'm debating on if I should take the hub off right here. That's what I'm thinking about doing. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm probably gonna have to feed it. Now I'm gonna pick all my stuff up.
Right.
That way I'm good. I'm gonna turn around and back up
right
as far as I can. That way it's easier.
I got you. Just let me know, my man. Man, that is crazy. Yeah. Y'all see this? This is, if you were an owner operator right here, and this was your trailer, this is when you call the kids, tell the wife to just file for divorce because the rent money is not gonna be there. Yeah, the rent money, after paying for it, yeah, the rent money's gone. She leaving your ass, but this right here, yeah, yes sir. Mechanic came, did all he could do, he left. Because the parts he needed, it's not being sold by anybody. This is the part of the so-called glamorous lifestyle of the trucker, so now I'm literally stuck here. He said he should be back by tomorrow evening. Yeah. So I'm gonna be here. I got out the truck a little bit because even though the AC running, it's hot. When I tell you we're really out here getting it from the trenches. Yeah. I've been sitting here for about going on 24 hours because the mechanics can't fucking figure out what's wrong.